Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can get the music on CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut PC, and to get the music, it's super simple actually. So after you open it, you can select audio and you can get the music from the CapCut. So just click music. So appears the several music available here. You're just going to download and use it. So you can also get the music from from the TikTok. Just link to TikTok account, and you can also add the you can also get the music from extracting the video, right? So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.